Hey, what's up guys, this is Henry Neal and you're welcome to another video. So over the week I got hit up by GearBest, gearbest.com. They're a tech site or a gadget site. They sell a lot of gadgets on the site though. So they hit me up and were like, hey Henry, we'd like you to do a review for us. We'd like to send you something and we want you to review the product for us. And I was like, what the heck? Let's do this. So GearBest sent me this package. It just came in and I'm not very sure what's in here yet, but I'm imagining it's a phone. So I'd like us to unbox this together. It'll be some sort of like a mystery unboxing. So if you'd like to know what's in the package here, stay tuned to the end of this video and let's get started. So lifting up the lid, we are presented with this nice covering cloth here, and you've got the phone in here. You've got your phone here. We're going to set this to the side. I'll show you this later. And still in the case here, we've got a couple of things here. So we've got wipes for applying screen protectors. We've got a TPU case. It's nice that they put a case in here. And you've got a screen protector, and this is not your flimsy screen protector. This is a glass-based screen protector. Pretty nice. You got your usual manual, and we've got another package in here. Your SIM ejector tool over here. This is a USB Type-C cable. So we've got a USB Type-C to a 3.5mm jack. Your wall breaker adapter. So that's fine. We got all this out of the box, so I'm just going to clear this table so we can get into a first look at the phone. Wow, so straight up guys, let me just say this phone feels solid, like extremely solid, and it's very, very hefty. It feels, if you've ever held the iPhone X, is exactly how this phone feels. Wow, this is nice. So I'm just going to take off the back here. Whoa, this is really good. I don't know if you guys can see this, but it's really, really nice. I'm going to take this. So there's already a screen protector applied. So straight up ahead here, in the front, we've got your earpiece, and we've got your front-facing camera over there. We've also got your lights, ambient sensors over here. To the bottom, we've got nothing. To the left, we've got your volume rockers, and to the right, we've got your power button. So at the back we have a dual camera setup. It's a 16 megapixel and a 3 megapixel SIM tray on the top here, which holds a dual SIM system. And at the bottom you've got your speaker grill, and you've got your USB Type-C port. The UHANS i8 is an absolutely beautiful device. The build quality screams premium from all sides of it. With a metal frame in the middle sandwiched between two glass panes, this thing is absolutely beautiful. I pitched it against the Samsung Galaxy S8, and to me personally, I felt like the S8 was a piece of feather. This phone felt more premium than the S8 and had a beautiful heft to it. Long gone are the days when you have really heavy phones like this, but I really preferred and I liked the heft this phone had. The phone has a completely beautiful build with an 18:9 aspect ratio, which is 5.7-inch screen at 720p. This is one of the downsides I see to this phone, as I really hoped that it was going to be a 1080p. but nonetheless, the screen colors were vibrant and videos were absolutely beautiful to watch on the screen. Another downside to the device is the fact that it doesn't come with a headphone jack. I don't know why they take off the headphone jacks these days, but I guess that's the future we're going to. But included in the box is a USB Type-C to a 3.5mm headphone port, which you can use to listen to music on your headphones. This device is absolutely solid. It's got a 3500 mAh battery internally, which will take you through a day of moderate to heavy use without having to recharge at all. And when you need to top up the juice, you can do that in just about 2 hours from 0 to 100%. Watching videos in this device is absolutely beautiful. The pictures are clear, the colors are vivid, the viewing angles are great, and listening to audio through the external speakers was also good. I jacked it up to the highest level of the volume and it didn't crackle at all. Audio was still very clear and I could hear everything they were saying in the video.
Get this man a shield.
The device has got a fingerprint scanner at the back, which opens the device in a very short time. It's really fast and it's actually very accurate. Let's talk about the camera. The camera on the UHANS i8 isn't the best part of this phone. The camera comes with 16 megapixel and a 3 megapixel dual camera system on the back of the device. I tried taking some pictures with this and it produced fairly nice pictures, but you need to be stable while taking these pictures. The selfie camera, however, isn't very great as you need a good environment with sufficient lighting to take good pictures. But nonetheless, for $150 or 50,000 naira if you live in Nigeria, this is an absolute steal. I would buy this any day, anytime given the chance. And if you'd like to buy this device, you can get it from GearBest.com. I'll leave a link to the site where you can get this, and on my link you'll be able to get a rebate on the price of this device. So for the UHANS i8, this is a go. If you're looking for a budget device that looks great, that will turn heads, and that feels better than the Samsung Galaxy S8, this is your device. Thanks guys for watching this one. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. If you'd like to know where to get this device, please check the description section of this video. I'll leave a link down there. And on my link you'll get a rebate so you can get this device for even cheaper. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.